Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of window tint films for cars and showcasing the top-pick Truline Automotive Nano Carbon Window Tint Film. This product stands out for its exceptional features and quality, making it a must-have for car owners looking to upgrade their ride. Truline Automotive Nano Carbon Window Tint Film is a game-changer when it comes to protecting your car's interiors and enhancing its overall appeal. With a range of shade options and advanced technology, this window tint film is designed to block 99% of UV rays and unwanted heat, keeping your car cool and comfortable even in the harshest conditions. Extreme UV protection. Enjoy up to 99% UV protection with this nano carbon window tint film, ensuring maximum safety for you and your passengers. Heat reduction. Say goodbye to the scorching heat inside your car with the advanced heat-blocking technology of this tint film. Privacy and style. Choose from multiple shade options to customize your car's look while adding an element of privacy to your ride. Non-reflective finish. The nano hybrid carbon manufacturing ensures a stable tint color and a glossy, non-reflective finish for a sleek appearance. Easy DIY installation. Installing this window tint film is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design that allows for a hassle-free DIY installation. Now, let's see how easy it is to install the Truline Automotive Nano Carbon Window Tint Film on your car windows. With proper preparation and a few simple steps, you can achieve professional-looking results in no time. In conclusion, Truline Automotive Nano Carbon Window Tint Film is the ultimate choice for car owners looking to enhance their driving experience. Its superior UV protection, heat-blocking technology, and stylish finish make it a top contender in the market. Upgrade your car with this premium window tint film and enjoy a cool, comfortable, and stylish ride every time you hit the road. And that wraps up today's review of the Truline Automotive Nano Carbon Window Tint Film. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.